Good morning, students. Hello, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay, and be careful, be protective, don't go out, and be sanitized yourself, your hand, wash your hand. Okay, today I am going to take your moral science class. Moral Science Chapter 8, My Garden. Okay. I have a garden. I have a garden. अच्छा, in last class we discussed our chapter 7 My Pets, and today I am going to discuss chapter 8, which is My Garden. I have a garden. It is a beautiful garden. There are many plants there. Some are big and some are small. There are plenty of flowers in my garden. Some are red and some are pink. There are also some yellow and white flowers. I don't pluck the flowers. I water the plant every day. I thank God for the pretty flowers. Nice, na students? Okay. I explain you in Hindi also. Listen to me. यहाँ पर बताया जा रहा है I have a garden. ये जो बच्चा है इसका एक गार्डन है. It is a beautiful garden. वो गार्डन बहुत सुंदर है, बहुत खूबसूरत है. There are many plants there. उस गार्डन में बहुत सारे प्लांट्स हैं. There are some are, कोई बड़ा है तो कोई छोटा है. हम लोग गार्डन में जाते हैं ना, वहाँ ढेर सारे पेड़ पौधे होते हैं. ठीक उसी तरीके से इसका गार्डन भी बहुत सुंदर है, बहुत प्यारा है, और वहाँ पर बहुत सारे प्लांट्स लगे हुए हैं. कोई बड़ा है तो कोई छोटा. There are plenty of flowers in my garden. और उस गार्डन में बहुत सारे फ्लावर्स हुए हैं. कोई फ्लावर रेड है तो कोई पिंक. There are also some yellow. कोई येलो है, कोई वाइट है. I don't pluck the flower. ये जो बच्चा है ये फ्लावर को नहीं तोड़ता. प्लक माने तोड़ना. या ठीक है. I water the plant. और ये बच्चा है ये प्लांट को रोज़ पानी देता है. हमें भी चाहिए कि हमें हमारे आसपास में अगर कोई गमले में कोई पौधा है या कोई हमारे घर के आसपास कोई पेड़ है तो उसे सब समय नहीं भी हो तो हमें उसे देखभाल करना चाहिए, उसे पानी देना चाहिए. ठीक है. I thank God for the pretty flowers. और जब उसमें फ्लावर होते हैं तो ये बच्चा भगवान को थैंक्स बोलता है कि थैंक गॉड कि आपने इतना सुंदर सुंदर फ्लावर मेरे बगीचे में दिए. ओके. तो स्टूडेंट्स, तो यहाँ मतलब तो ये आप लोग को समझ में आ गया. अच्छा, आप लोग कुछ स्पेलिंग्स है इसी में आप थोड़ा अंडरलाइन करिए पेंसिल से. ओके. इस स्पेलिंग्स को आप लोग घर में याद करना. जैसे आई हैव अ गार्डन, तो गार्डन में अंडरलाइन करें. पुट अंडरलाइन ऑन इन अ गार्डन. ओके. देन ब्यूटीफुल, underline student, beautiful. Then many, underline many. Plants, students, underline plant. Big, underline big. Small, red, pink, yellow, white. Underline students, yellow, white, flowers, Pluck. Underline, students. Spelling of pluck. Water. Every day. Thank God. Pretty. Okay, I am repeating again, students. Do a correction or garden. Beautiful. Many plants. Big. Small. Plenty. Flowers. Red. Pink. Yellow. White. Pluck. Water. Every day. Thank God. Pretty. Okay, come to the exercise here. Where do flower grow? Say, student, where do flower grow? Flower, you say flower grow in a garden. In a garden. Flower grows in a garden. What can we find in the garden? What can we find in the garden? We find big and small plants. We find big and small plants in the garden. So number 1, students, where I think that where do flowers grow? Here it is also correct if you write flowers grows in plant. And where it is said that where, that's why I am telling you to write in the garden. Here asking for a place. Okay, that's why flowers grow in a garden. It's a correct option. If you write that flowers grows in plant, then it will also a correct. Okay, no need to worry. Answer, you can write an answer in different way. Don't think that ma'am told that answer is correct. No, you can answer it by your own. In moral science, you can write answer in different way. No need to worry. Okay. Acha. Why should we water the plant? Why should we water the plant? What do you think? Why should we water the plant? We should water the plant for why? For its life, for its growth. When we water the plant, it will grow. It will grow. Write the true, false. All flowers are red in color. What do you think? All flowers are red? No. So the answer will be false. All plants have flowers. All plants have flowers. Is it right? All plants have flowers. So think it and then write. If you think that it is yes, all flowers have flowers, all plants have flowers, then you write true. If you don't think that no, all plants doesn't have flowers, so you write false. We should pluck flowers. Is it right to pluck flowers? No. So you have to write false. Some of these flowers are and some are not. Put a tick next to each flowers and cross against the rest. Rose. What do you think? Rose is a flower? Yes, rose is a flower. So you put a tick mark here. Lock. Lock is a flower? No. So you have to put a cross. Leaf. Leaf is a flower? No. Lotus. Lotus is a flower? Yes, lotus is a flower. Lily. Lily is a flower? Yes, lily is a flower. Kite. Kite is a flower? No, kite is not a flower. Fly. Fly is flower? No, fly is not flower. Jasmine. Jasmine is flower? Yes, jasmine is definitely a flower. And it smells good, na? And in question number D, draw a beautiful plant with flowers in the space below. In this box, you have to draw a plant with a flower. Okay. And question number E, paste the picture of two flowers and write their name. Here you have to paste a picture of any flowers. And if you don't have any flowers, picture of a flower, then you can draw also. And definitely write a name of that flower. Okay. Draw a flower first, then write its name. Okay, students. So, student, here is the end of this chapter. In our next class, we will start our new chapter. I hope you don't have any problem for understanding this chapter. Okay. And definitely you must do this chapter in your copy in a very good writing. Okay. Till then, students, goodbye. Bye bye. Take care.